Welcome to another video of Learn and Speak Tamil Like a Native. We have crossed 200 videos and this video is a very gentle introduction to formal Tamil. Some of you are keen to learn formal Tamil and I think this is the right time to start discussing about the subject and plan it out with you. We'll see some phrases towards the end of the video. First, let us have an overview, or let me try to explain to you the important points. Where is formal Tamil being used? Where do you hear it? Firstly, it is not often you hear it because people speak in a spoken or colloquial form for daily conversations. Therefore, you would mostly hear formal Tamil only in news, that is TV and broadcast, Tamil language academic discussions, public and political speeches, though it is not always the case because politicians try also to speak in a colloquial Tamil nowadays, even on the stage, so that they can connect to the people. It gives a sense of closeness. And you'll also hear it in the cinema songs. But the songs of nowadays are not always strictly formal language. So I cannot guarantee that. And the songs, even if it is of high language, will have poetic style of language. Where do you find formal Tamil in written form? Of course, newspapers, magazines, official and government records and documents, written correspondences, and public notices such as do not walk on the lane, school area, drive slowly. These are the places where you'll find the formal Tamil. Is spoken Tamil not enough? Should I also learn formal Tamil? It is totally up to you, but I personally would recommend that you have a moderate knowledge of formal Tamil. It helps you to strengthen your language, and your language learning will be complete. Imagine you turn on the TV news and you understand nothing, or there's some announcement in television that you do not understand, or simple public notices that you're not able to grasp. Therefore, learn to some level at least. You may not have to speak formal Tamil, but to understand that is easy when you have a decent foundation of spoken language. Do all native speakers speak formal Tamil fluently? This is a very important question and hence I'm going to give a little longer answer. The answer is definitely no. It is impossible to have the same fluency as in spoken language. In general, a considerable amount of population may not even be able to speak fluently, even slowly. It requires a little training. A poor street vendor who might not have adequate education may find it impossible, but can understand. And speaking of children and even youths, they will dabble. It would be full of mistakes if you ask them to speak. They may just be laughing and speaking full of mistakes. So the answer is people can speak, but to varying degree. Some can be good if they've had some experience, but most of them would be far from fluent. So one has to slowly think in their mind as they speak. Even I will have the same problem because it is not a natural conversation that you will have with people, but almost all can understand. So if I were to speak, I can manage, but I'll speak a little slowly. Understanding, I'll have no problem, 100%. How related are spoken and formal Tamil? Very related. Just as an analogy, look at the two ice cream cones. The cone is the same, the consistency of the ice cream is same, and the chillness is the same, the shape is the same, and just a little flavor change will make it look different and make it feel different. It's just the same but different flavors. That is why people without much exposure to formal language can still speak it, but slowly and cautiously, because it is more like understanding a formula. And once you, as learners from this channel, have an intermediate level of knowledge in spoken language, you can speak formal Tamil with some practice and understand quite well. You just have to change the flavor as in the ice cream preparation. Which one should I learn first? Personally, I would recommend not to learn formal Tamil first. It's going to be difficult for you. You're not going to hear it among people. You will not be able to practice it with people. You cannot enjoy and learn from various entertaining sources. You will only spend unending time learning alone and boring yourselves, especially something which is not spoken. And then to learn spoken language based on your formal language, we have a problem in Tamil. Thalaya sutti mooka thodradu. To take your hand, go around your head and to touch the nose, where the nose is accessible just like that. So it's like taking a complex route. And sometimes you may not even need formal Tamil and unless you need it for academic reasons. Can I converse with people in formal Tamil? Oh no, don't try that. People are going to give you a quizzical look. Oh, who is this person who has escaped from some historical movie troupe? Is formal Tamil phonetic? Yes. Formal Tamil is one of the best examples of phonetic language. It goes very close to the written form. You almost say what you read. Therefore, it is all the more easier to learn. Where and how can I learn formal Tamil in a simple and systematic way? As you know, I have, with all your suggestions and encouragements, slowly built a course for spoken Tamil, and this is the right time to gradually introduce the formal Tamil in a very, very gentle way. So just listen, do not strain, do not stress, and gradually build your knowledge alongside spoken language. I'll make sure that every fifth video will be a short video on formal Tamil. And you'll be surprised how close it is to spoken language, though sounding different at first, but you'll notice that how clear the sounds are, how systematic it is like to change from spoken to written Tamil. So you'll thoroughly enjoy it, and I'll do my best to present it in the most enjoyable way. I hate hard learning myself, so you can trust me. Now, having had some idea about formal Tamil, let us see three simple examples. I went. So the colloquial one will be, many of you that know that already, நான் போனேன். Whereas the formal is நான் போனேன். It is phonetic, just as you write. The sounds and pronunciation are clear, complete. நான் போனேன், நான் போனேன். நான் போனேன், that is colloquial. நான் போனேன். It is not like that. அது அப்படி இல்லை. It's not like that. That is how you say that as you speak. It's not like that. Now, formal It is not like that. அது அப்படி இல்லை. அது அப்படி இல்லை. அது அப்படி இல்லை. அது அப்படி இல்லை. So the spoken is shrunk, whereas the formal is clear and enunciated. அது அப்படி இல்லை. அது அப்படி இல்லை. He will go there. அவன் அங்கே போவான். அவன் அங்கே போவான். அவன் அங்கே போவான். அவன் அங்கே போவான். See, when you speak, we are going to shrink that he and will become he'll. He'll go there. He'll go there. But if you have to say everything, it is going to be he will go there. It's the same here. And thank you so much for your time. Vanakkam. That is spoken, and vanakkam. That is formal. Vanakkam. Vanakkam. Here you hear the difference. I hope I'm doing my best to make learning easy for you, and please like it so that it reaches more people. This is a tremendous amount of time taken out of my routine, so leave your comments and I'll make a super short video to start off formal Tamil in the next video, and we'll make sure every 5th video is a formal Tamil. The thumbnail will make it clear for you. All the best.